northern site, and this blue jay's going to take the 2 live mealworms Jay put down. No head sparrow. A house sparrow. House sparrow. Female. And she's after the non-live mealworms. Nummy nummies, okay. We're at Fluffy's, and she actually came to meet us as we were approaching her area. So she was here ready. Ready and waiting. So I'm not upping. I'm just waiting. It's her little treat prints that she does back and forth until Jay puts the treats down. Sun has just come up over the hillside. California Quail is here this morning at Alviso Adobe Park, and we haven't yet set up the picnic area. The female was with him at oh, there she's returned. Yeah, they know that we're going to be setting up, but they're here just a little bit early. Yeah. Hi. Hi, hi. Oh, there's the other male. So the whole family's here wanting breakfast. Okay, well, gotta set things up. Okay, the California Quail hit a distant area waiting for us to get the seed down. And now that it's down, they're starting to head back this way because they know we're going to leave. No Cooper's hawk or red-tailed hawk to worry about this morning. Look at the birds. We're at the Lutheran church. Collie wasn't here when we had come by on our way to Alviso Adobe Park, but as usual, Jay left the food and treats for her. And as we were approaching where he put the food down, we could see she'd eaten it. And we just called her name, and and she showed up. She's going for second round of treats. And Jay is sitting nearby. Excellent. Okay, we got tree trimming people coming this way, so we know you're going to be hiding out pretty quick. At least you'll get some treats in you first. Back at the northern site, this guy's going to collect both of the mealworms that Jay put down. Yeah. And we saw your mates nearby. I'll take a sparrow if he comes out. There we go. Blue jay back. More worms. Up in the easternmost evergreen tree at the elementary school, we have this Cooper's hawk who is just quietly sitting there watching because he knows that the crows are around, because we're going to be tossing out peanuts to them. Makes his hunting real easy. As you can see, he's looking around, checking it out. crows have left the immediate area where he is because they see us and they're coming to where we are waiting for peanuts. But they'll be returning in a moment. And he is up there. Okay, I'm right across the street from the evergreen tree. Jay's gone over to the elementary school side of the street, and he's going to be putting down peanuts for the crows, and the Cooper's hawk is aware of that. He's getting all excited. He doesn't know which direction to look. They're everywhere. He's up there. Okay, I'm on the same side of the street as the elementary school and the tree that the Cooper's hawk is in. Where I'm at, he has his back to us. I was really expecting him to try to go after one of the crows, but he hasn't. And by the way, just because he goes chasing after a crow doesn't mean he's successful. He's not successful every time he hunts. And usually he's more successful with the smaller birds. We're getting ready to head on.